Hi dear student, good morning. How are you? I hope you are very well and you are passing your time at home pleasantly, and you are fighting against COVID-19. I will advise you to wear mask, to maintain social distance, and frequently wash your hands and body to disinfect COVID-19. Now dear student, remembering you, I am taking a class for class 9-10. Today I will take the class for 9-10 one first paper. Now dear student, what do you see? It is the mosque. It is the mosque. Do you have any mosque in your locality, in your area? Yes. In your locality, there is a mosque. What do you do there? You pray 5 times in a day. Do you agree with me? Yeah. Okay, dear student. Now dear student, what is it? It is the mosque of Shat Gumbaz. It is the Shat Gumbaz mosque. Do you agree with me? Yes, thank you. Now dear student, like this mosque, have any mosque in your area? Yes. Now dear student, do you understand what is the topic today? We will discuss today's topic is Shat Gumbaz mosque. Thank you. The Shat Gumbaz mosque. Unit 8, lesson 1. Now dear student, you open your book. And see the Shat Gumbaz mosque. Do you know what is heritage? Heritage is what we inherit from the past and live with present and pass on for the future generation or children. And what heritage is what we inherit from the past and that we pass for the future generation. Our Shat Gumbaz mosque is one of the World Heritage, and it has become a World Heritage, UNESCO World Heritage in 1985. Shat Gumbaz mosque is situated outskirts of Baghera town. It has 77 domes on the roof and 4 domes at the 4 corners. It has total 81 domes, and it has 60 pillars, 7 aisles, and 11 arches, and it has 11 mihrabs on the western wall facing Makkah, and its western wall is very nicely decorated with terracotta and foliage. Khanzan Ali used this mosque for prayer and his court. At present time, Shahid Gumuz Mosque is one of the best tourist attraction for the home and abroad tourists. Bangladesh government earned a lot of currency from this Shahid Gumuz Mosque. Now dear student, read the text and complete the chart given it. When you read, I will give you some new words. You see, mosque, mosque, holy, new words, holy place, outskirts, outskirts means last corner. Dense, dense means compact, compact or thickness. Reveal, reveal means disclose, disclose. Reservoir, reservoir, reservoir means tank. These words are new words in this passage. I hope you have completed the passage. Now dear student, you complete the chart I am giving on the blackboard or whiteboard. You see your textbook, that means founded by, when, number of domes, arches, thickness, mihrabs, now dear student, after completing the text, you have to fill up the chart such as founded by, who established the Shahid Gumuz Mosque, Ulugh Khan Jahan Ali, Ulugh Khan Jahan Ali, Khan Jahan Ali, when 15th century. Number of domes of Shahid Gumuz Mosque, 77 domes according to the passage, but it has 4 domes at the 4 corners of the tower. Arches, 11 arches. Thickness of arches. Do you understand? 6 feet. 6 feet. Mihrabs, 11 mihrabs. Now, dear student, in the meantime, you see the chart given on the whiteboard. I hope you clearly understand it. Now, dear student, I am giving some questions. You see. You try to answer these questions. First questions. What is the Shat Gambuz mosque What is Shat Gambuz mosque famous for? Second questions. By whom was it founded? Third questions. What do you understand heritage? Four number questions. Why is the mosque unique? Five number questions. Where is it situated? Where is it situated? You are trying to understand 5 questions written on the blackboard. Now, dear student, I am giving the answer. You match the answer with your opinion. What is Shat Gambuz Mosque famous for? This Shat Gambuz Mosque famous for its architectural beauty. Second questions. By whom was it founded? Ulugh Khajan Ali, a Turkish general and saint person, or the preacher of Islam, founded it. Third questions. What do you understand heritage? I have already told what is heritage. Heritage is what we inherit from the past and live with in the present, and what we pass on for the future generation or children. Why is the mosque unique? The mosque is unique for its exceptional beauty and architectural beauty. Where is it situated? It is situated outskirts of Bagharat town. I hope you understand the 4 questions. Now dear student, I am giving a chart. I am giving a chart. You see, Turkish general dash the Shad Gambuz Mosque. He dash the earliest torch bearer of Islam in the south of BD. He was a dash and the mosque was dash mosque was by him as both prayer and court. Now dear student, I have given only 4 clues. You try to fill up the gap. Turkish general dash the Shad Gambuz Mosque. He dash the earliest torch bearer of Islam in the south of Bangladesh. He was dash and dash the mosque was dash by him as both prayer and court. Now dear student, I hope I am giving the answer. You try to match the answer. Turkish general founded the Shad Gambuz Mosque. He dashed the earliest torch bearer of Islam. He was the earliest torch bearer of Islam in the south of BD. He was dash and dash the mosque. He was a saint and the mosque was dash and the mosque was dashed by him and the mosque was established by him as or established by him or used. Now dear student, used by him, use is more preferable, so you have to use used by him as both prayer and court. Do you understand clearly the text? I hope you clearly understand the text. Now dear student, I am giving a homework. HW, write a paragraph 1, Tara Mosque in Dhaka. Now, dear students, thank you. Goodbye.